So now lay your shirt out so it's all faced up. So the right side is facing up. Now you want to roll, this is the fun bit, roll your front pieces into the middle. Everything apart from the yoke gets rolled into the middle. So that gets rolled up to that. And the back, roll that up. So now you have your back and your front rolled up into the center. You have this yoke here, and that comes over all of those layers, and you need to pin it to the seam of the other yoke. Now there's a lot of material in between this, so just ease that, make sure your layers are out the way, pin that all the way along. So now we need to sew those layers together. So just trying to keep the shirt front and backs out the way. What may help if you just go over the same line of stitching that you have there. Now if you pull the front and back pieces through that hole in the middle, then it should hopefully be attached correctly. I always get nervous when I do this. Even though I've made the shirt loads of times, I always worry that I put it in the wrong way. You know, you can become complacent and do it wrong. But it's worked. So there you go. So you have it's all creased up now, but we'll give it a good press later. But you have your yoke pieces on your front and back pieces.